Fish. You know they're good for you. They have awesome benefits. And if you eat the right fish, they can support your cardiovascular, brain, eye, and joint health. That's because they're loaded with omega-3s. But here's the catch. To get the recommended amount of omega-3s each week, your diet would need to consist of fish, and more fish, which unfortunately can also contain dangerous contaminants, like mercury. As a result, it can be difficult to minimize these hazardous toxins while still getting the right amount of omega-3s your body desperately needs. That's why you need USANA's Biomega, the perfect combination of both EPA and DHA omega-3s in a pure formula, with no detectable mercury. That's because Biomega undergoes an impressive double molecular distillation process. In fact, it has been tested and certified by NSF International, a leading provider of independent product test results. And because Biomega is manufactured through sustainable practices and renewable resources, you can feel good about taking a supplement that doesn't harm the environment. And get this, compared to other products on the market, Biomega is fortified with vitamin D, has no fishy aftertaste, and provides more than 1,000 milligrams of EPA and DHA in only 2 capsules. USANA's Biomega, one of the best fish oil products you can choose to support cardiovascular, brain, eye, and joint health. So join the millions of people around the world, including over 600 elite athletes who trust their health to the worldwide leader in personalized nutrition. USANA, your health, your life, your way.